right, so we're going to talk about conversations. Now, this is going to be your main hub where you're going to be able to conversate with any of your customers or clients. So, whenever someone messages you, they'll come into the unread section of the conversations. And you can also set up notifications so that whenever you are sent a text message or an email, it will notify you via text message or email, however you want to be notified. So, for example, I have a client here. I sent them a text message, and there's a lot of great things here you can do. You could even request a payment link from them directly from here. You can even have a template set up that we are setting up right over here. So with a template, I have, say, maybe I schedule some time to talk to me, and you're getting a bunch of messages in. You don't have to keep on typing into multiple people and keep on typing the same thing. So this is where you can set up a template, schedule some time to talk to me, and it already has what is called a trigger link. So what the templates are, if we go up here to the section where it says templates, you can set up predetermined templates of what you want to say. So in here, what I did was schedule some time to talk to me. I added a thing called a trigger link. And what that is a link that is internal to the software. And you can create a link to go to your website, for instance, or you can schedule a time to talk to yourself. So in the calendar section of our software, you can actually have a link that connects to your calendar, and they can choose what time is great to talk with your availability, right? So when in that conversation, you can already set up all these different actions. Whenever you're dealing with manual actions, if you have to send up numerous times, you can keep track of everything else right here. So if you go back to the actual conversations that we were having, I can go to a template and they're asking, hey, what's what's your website, whatever else it may be. You can actually have all those inside your templates. You can even add attachments here, and also you can add different tags and merge fields. So for already their first name, you can already predetermine their first name within these tags itself. And you want to add a little emoji, a little kissy face, you can do all of that. So if you have any questions with this, reach out to us. And this is the basics of how to use conversations.